You've heard people say it. I've got First Amendment rights. But what does that really mean? Written in 1791, the First Amendment protects 5 basic freedoms: speech, press, religion, assembly, and the right to petition the government. It doesn't mean you can say anything, anywhere, without consequences. It means the government can't punish you for expressing your beliefs, especially when those beliefs challenge power. In every generation, it's been tested. A protest blocked, a journalist silenced, a law passed to quiet dissent. And each time the courts ask, is this protected or is this control? Today, that question feels more urgent than ever. From courtrooms to state houses, leaders are testing the line between authority and expression. And the First Amendment isn't just a relic, it's the argument itself. Because democracy doesn't depend on agreement. It depends on the freedom to disagree, out loud, in public, and without fear. That's what the First Amendment defends, and that's why it still matters.